Well, turning to overseas now, where several countries in Europe, including France, are reporting record pandemic case counts. And health officials warn the numbers could climb even higher in the coming weeks. CBC's Dominic Velitis is in Bristol, England, with the details.
Record numbers of daily infections are now being reported in countries across Europe. Yesterday, Italy reported more than 78,000 cases, a new record since the start of the pandemic. Portugal, meanwhile, reported a little over 17,000 new cases, while in Greece, the country's health minister called for calm after nearly 22,000 cases were reported there. Here in England, where the authorities are warning of a shortage of COVID tests due to exceptional demand, the latest figures we have show that just a little over 117,000 new cases were reported yesterday alone. Health bosses here say staff shortages are now starting to become a big issue for hospitals as medical staff who test positive head into self-isolation. And there are several scientists now who say the UK should follow in the footsteps of the United States and reduce the COVID self-isolation period to 5 days so they can get back to work as soon as possible. But the government so far is resisting those calls. Meanwhile, France recorded nearly 180,000 new cases yesterday. That's Europe's highest ever number of daily cases recorded. The French authorities are warning that the most difficult weeks are yet to come. Indeed, they think the country could see 250,000 cases a day by the start of the new year. So some very high figures here in Europe. Indeed, according to a report by the World Health Organization, which was published yesterday, the number of new COVID infections grew by nearly 60% on the continent in the week leading up to Christmas. The Omicron variant is driving the spread, and although studies suggest it is milder than the Delta variant, there are concerns that the sheer number of cases could put intolerable pressure on hospitals. The World Health Organization certainly thinks the risk posed by Omicron remains very high. Dominic Velitis, CBC News, Bristol, England.